Hello all.
So viel sehen. Crackpot oder so, oder? Das ist sehr hoch.
Pendejo.
Was läuft denn da so im Jam? In here.
Live jam spotty in here, URL.
Deswegen höre ich nichts. Ja, after some days actually these the Elder Scrolls Online or Elder Scrolls Online or Scrolls of the Online or something else. Welcome back to Asphalt Legends Unite on this episode 216 on this wonderful foggy now the sun went into the TV Sunday. Just checking out DefNation CB and unterdrücken. Ja, muss aber trotzdem. Muss halt, ne? Geschwollen. Was ist jetzt? Also. Ja, passt schon. And after that one, I just want to deal done with the DefNation4Real and then go sleep. And then afternoon, actually, or something like that, I'm playing a little bit again. These the scrolls and exactly. Like actually, you have one mission to go to the next mission, and already 2 hours just gone because you've been distracted, or you just want to collect things, or the inventory is full, and so exhausting all the times. You're going back to your town and just going off whatever, and then you actually want to only do the quests, but you can't, and the quest is not so important actually, like the beauty outside actually, to run away from all the times the fights. They're so annoying as shit. But then every 5 meters or something actually the next fight comes up, and you don't want to fight anymore, and they follow you over the whole map, then they kick your butt or something, and they're pissing you off twice actually, and then they're turning around and just running away. So what the mother in hell. Where was I? It's the same in here. Where are you guys? No, sag mal. Hey, try to make me exhausting or something, this crack. Achso, da läuft ja noch keine Musik. Ja, Männer, mach mal an hier. Vielleicht schlafe ich dann nicht so schnell ein. Cellphone? You dead? Not even there. Just say to me, oh, I don't care anymore on you, you son of a... Yeah, wonderful. Normally the deal is like that. You first the program on the computer system, then you make on your cell phone, then you make Spotify on, and should work. Not today. Now it's there. What was keeping you so long for something else? I was distracted by something else? Technology. You can't hang yourself. No joke. Didn't forget it. You can hear it? There's no music! No background music! I am so annoyed. The only music what runs is in my ears. And that must be enough. Na klar. Für den Rotzübelkorn. Hier klang doch der auch. Oh, ich glaube wir haben... Oh, we have a new car. Look at that. Fängt doch schon mal gut an. Da muss ich doch gleich mal einen Schluck trinken. Erstmal kurz ausrasten. Gut, das habe ich jetzt getan. Ah. Boah, Alter, schmeckt wie alte Asche und Salami irgendwie so übereinander geworfen. Ah, das ist halt flüssig, ne? Was ist das? Ashtray water. Oh my gosh. Tequila, Smirnoff, ice, and these Rockstar energy drink with lemon. No, that was the water lemon. Oh, that's like actually ashtray water, something that's crack. What the heck are you dealing done with me? Just wanna watch, just wanna run. I cleaned the ventilation system yesterday. Double times the effort. Like every 2 months or something, need to do down there. Must be the smoking or something, this crap. Wenn Nissan sauber say leave. It doesn't matter, I'm tired. Crazy crack. Yesterday there was actually 13 hours live stream. 4 hours cooking, cleaning and preparing. Just these 6 hours sleep. I woke up actually today. I just started up the gaming. What you wanna do done with us? Oh, you don't make informations anymore, like to say, hey, looky, go left, right, or something. With the L button, shoulder button, or something. Na, was ist denn jetzt wieder mal drin? Ich habe jetzt die ganzen Tage nicht geredet. Oh, so ein richtiger Bimbo-Mix, Alter, was ist das? Die ausgestorben, ausgeschickt. For what? Can't just do it for asphalt tokens. Normally it costing something. That's why it's important to be done that stuff. Oh, you totally run off by yourself with everything else, man. Coming back the next 3 days? Yeah, because it's raining outside. It's getting colder. It's even worse if you're around my jaw. If you've been working or something this crap. Oh, passt schon, hat er gesagt. Den Pursuit abgeschlossen. Der Rest ist mir egal. Dann sind wir soweit eigentlich fertig, oder? Dann passt das schon so. Dann passt das schon so. Hauen wir hier noch 3-mal rein. Jetzt ein bisschen was aufs Maul gibt. Bisschen racen und so. Oh, das ist mir richtig langweilig. Ich mache jetzt vor Langeweile in der Früh schon mal eine halbe Bier auf. Nicht beim Frühshoppen ja vom Wegen, aber das ist kein Frühshoppen-Bier. Das ist einfach nur ein helles. Cheers. Oh, dazu jetzt mit deiner Klicke. Wie viel klobiges Gelump oder so, das hier runter. You're really trying. Kind of realistic, you know, to do that. You should try as well in New York. There's so less cars in New York. Yeah, sure. Just see these 8 stupid idiots actually running around. What happened? This is a Booker. Wow, ich hab gerissen, Alter. Ich hab gedacht, das war voll gewonnen. That's just typical of New York. Queens. Really have to lose. Yeah. I mean, no. I don't want to lose. Game over. Richtig ja drum Fotzen geben, Alter, bevor ins Ziel kommt, aber. Bescheiden Botsch, oder? Ach, der Lotus, der schaut aus, ey. Gib mir ungefähr noch 30 Jahre oder was, dann schaut jedes Auto gleich aus. Dann machen wir doch gleich ein einziges Auto, Alter. Der Tracker. Da ist dann nur noch Tracker. Jedes Gelände kann er befahren. Jeder hat dieselbe Batterie. Nur die Innenausstattung könnte... Muss das sein? Ist für jeden gleich. Für jeden ist die Innenausstattung gleich. Es gibt sonst kein anderes Auto mehr. Fährt mit Fäkalien. Scheißen muss doch jeder mal. Wenn wir nicht mehr scheißen wollen, dann nehmen wir uns halt den Tieren weg. Oh mein Gott. Umweltfreundlich, ja genau. Spreadet dann so rum wie Nilpferde sind das, oder? Oder Flusspferde. Flusspferde, Nilpferde? Ja, gleich, oder? Flusspferde? Nilpferde? Bin ich jetzt bescheuert? Flusspferde? Nilpferde? Wow. Ich glaube, die sagen Flusspferde auch dazu, aber ich will jetzt gar nicht nachschauen bei Google, weil ich bin nicht so einer. Ich lasse meine Blödheit einfach so gleiten. Aber vielleicht bin ich auch richtig. Die wuselt doch mit dem Schwänzchen hinten so rum, oder? Dass die Kacke fliegt. Da ist schon der Hippo. Ja, wie gesagt. Wenn du dann so fahren musst, wenn du dann, umso mehr du aufs Gas drückst, umso mehr machst du dein Schwänzchen hinten weiß mit der Kacke. Umso mehr weiß die Polizei, oh, der legt sonst, der will uns sagen, leckt mich mal am Arsch. Scherz. Oh Gott, der will's wissen, Junge. Da braucht man keine, wie sagt man dazu? Naja, die gibt's ja dann sowieso nicht mehr, diese Lichtblitzer, ne? Wenn der da mit Vollgas vorbeifährt, dann liegt der Odel auf der Linse, ne? Dann weiß man halt sowieso gleich von Anfang an, hier, den haben wir davor noch blitzen können, aber danach hat er uns zugeschissen. Ja, gar nicht mehr so schlecht. Auto schaut wieder aus wie ein Z4, Alter. Und warum können wir das jetzt nicht fahren? Mit dem hochgepriesenen Black Friday. Achso, das kann man sowieso nicht fahren. Hä, aber ich bin mir ziemlich sicher gewesen, ich habe sogar den Preis dafür bekommen. Ah, weiß nicht, was da los war. Da braucht man das Auto dazu, oder? Meine Fresse, das spielt ja auch so ein Huso. Na, nicht mal. I don't want to talk English today. Like a child. I don't want. Klingel. Oh, halt mal die Hand auf. Ja, was hätte ich? Oh, da hättest du der Finger getan. Cheers. Kein Peinstrahl, ich hätte das Goldbrot nicht weggeschissen. Ja, viele schlafen doch noch am Sonntag. Ich hab auf den Boden, oder? Wow, ich bin der Urlaub. 4 Sterne, wird schon ausreichen. Einfach vorn. Hab ich nicht so den Anschein. Car crash. Ich bin nicht mit der Rippe oder? Ich bin die falsche Rippe oder? Das ist auch falsch programmiert. Oh, ist schon vorbei. Ja. Einmal ein Shorty One. Mehr kann man eh nicht holen, oder wie? Bis gleich. Bis gleich. Alter, bist du dumm? Hab ich das genommen? Das war echt nicht mein Ernst, oder? Wie konnte das denn geschehen? Ich darf Mike schon wieder vergessen. Mike. Der Leier. Alter, das waren 5 und... Ich hab alle geschafft. Jesus, obwohl es mich voll geworfen hat. Ja, passt schon, so hat er gesagt. Weekly Competition. Heute ist der letzte Tag, oder? Oh ja, dann hauen wir mal rein. What the hell? My new car. On... I think it was Need for Speed Takeshi's auto account, right? That was the KDM. But it was started off with 900, I think. But this car is the lowest car I ever saw with these 311. Holy moly. What is this car winning? Dang. That's not fair, man. His brother, man. I think it doesn't matter, right? I'm happy to have the car anyway. You should have that car and just build it up. Even for career, it helps. What's wrong with the camera? Safe. Wasn't changing yet. It's fucked up on the other account again. Ah, who cares? It's a fantasy, right? They know the Uber part actually of the skeleton. Somewhat Nitro'theBat and Power the Cat is actually seeable. Thank God the Mac. Oh, since when? What's wrong with that there? Let's just change something. It's garbage here. I'm just enjoying my Subaru. But first, after... Oh, yeah, 3 days. Oh man, I thought actually since 7 days or something. How could I? Oh, come on. What feet, dude. Well, nice. Everything's going weird. Nah, I don't know. Be the loosey one. I was already 8. Was the 9th driver actually? Oh my gosh. As playing actually touch drive is not so good for live streaming. I'm fine with it. that crap. I think I just did that once and it's so boring. You get nothing in the end. It's the same about the show. Why you go to the showroom? I just go left. To go up and... Oh, I hate this scam stuff. Seriously, I hate that. I have to make that on purpose. "11 days left." Let's just say hello in here, and that's it. Why it takes me there? Because the fastest car? Okay. See? Oh. What the popo? How silent that is. How I hear actually out. Lol. I think they're running music, right? Just give it an extra 35%. Far away. What ist in Deutsch wieder? Ist das schon der Adventskranz oder was? Ich glaube schön. Alter. Ah, ihr kleine. Schon eingefroren. Oh, oh, oh. Get not younger. Oh my gosh. You need to help me, my friend. Oh, oh, oh. Getting faster. Ach, schau, was das bringt. Comes luck in the house. Cheers up, compile, obviously so both these next stream. I'm tired. Sick of the world. Not another one. Is you making a picture or something, this crack? Look where she's standing. Completely far away from me. So doch klar. Ach, scheiße, das ist ein Klump. Wenn du es gewohnt bist. Oh, bleib mal kurz weg. Ah, da wollen wir zweimal glänzen heute. Ist doch was. Wenn du aber schaust, ne, ich mit 2000 und der andere hier 1100 oder so. Ach, der andere hat ja 2100. Was ist denn mit dem los? Die haben alle? Das verstehe ich nicht. Kein Team. Days. Just 4 days. That's not on the console allowed, man. I'm sure they're driving ass car classes. That's so fucked up. Yesterday. Oh, ich hätte jetzt auch schön was trinken können hier. Und fangen wir wieder von vorne an. Come on. Wow. Such a beautiful car, man. Can't take corners. Ja, mei. Und schon sind wir wieder der Verlierer des Jahres. Geht mir echt am Arsch vorbei. Also bin ich kein Multiplayer-Fan. Ein Fehler und das ist komplett weg. Okay. Ja, früher war es halt einfacher, ne? Spielt jeder Vierte in der ganzen Welt mit. Jetzt wird halt langsam lästig und langweilig. Weil es hier einfach nicht mehr weitergeht. It's gonna be tight as hell. Oh ja. Seconds. 90 seconds of pure pain. What medium gates are. Coming up. Ach, Spinner hinter mir. We're going to jab into some medium gate or something. That's weird. Pressing by. Oh, the fog went up. It's getting foggy, and in 3 hours it's done enough to rain. Get to hell! Oh, the last one's gonna be a little bit untouchable. Just wanna go forward and forsake. Give us a chance. But still, we have actually the Dodge Challenger, the 392 Hemi Scat Pack. This is scat. Scatman Edition. Wie bubbly, kann's nicht mal. I am the Scatman. Damals in der Schule dachte ich mir, da scheiß ich gern zu oder so. Oh, what the hell, man? Oh, I didn't watch how many seconds? Oh, whatever. It's nice to see you. Ho ho! What's wrong with this server? Warning, couldn't be done that. Nice and nice. Oder mein Puls schon wieder, ne? Babum, babum, babum. Yeah, the last days. I was eating a little bit too much. Yesterday the 2-liter soup, then the finger food in the afternoon. Actually, that's it. It's enough. So with the gaining of actually in a week, it's some kind of a 3 to 5 kilograms. And then if you're drinking as well, then oh my gosh. Ah, whatever. Ah, crack. More like a St. Peter's knockoff. Let's get drifty. Body boss. What the hell? Holy crap, it wasn't me. That was already 1,000. I can't believe that. It's the first 30%, right? Have to go right. Here again, why is all of the servers so shaky? At the they make a crash or something. So if it just shakes like that, just stop by, just go your way. Don't do something else like pressing actually a 360 or something. I learned much. Because mostly actually I thought, oh okay, what happened? That was actually a 1,000 selection, a stop or something. Will be actually you crash? No, actually you're not. It just freezes the thousands a second as well. But let it run or something. Excuse me. The food wants to crawl up. The throat. Better be swallowing it. The beer. Oh ja, by the way, ci sono campana słaby saluto, du skal prøve next beam. Ej, si da vrede nije kšat, ge? Bierschall. Why it says now not orange anymore? What's the reason for it? Oh, we have actually the dodge, but the upgrades anyway. Anyway, it's something. Sorry, music just changed. But that's it. Nothing more. Yeah. Knockdowns of 6. Ready, some itch. Great. Oh, perfect nitro. Colin das Opfer hätte das volle Loss gehabt. Bei 80%. Alter. Oh, nice one. Powerful engine. If you want to have it. Oh, sun went in. Zerrissen, Alter. You open up the class elite. Rank C. Yeah, rank C. Let's say rank C. I'm a noob. After 5.5 months. The 4 accounts, twice actually platinized already. Sun went in, awesome. Oh crack, really? Now we have that real doomsday. I think we can build on that one, but it's depending actually on the stress about police versus actually the AI enemy. And let's just see. Maybe losing, may not. 120, 2 minutes. How's you going? Okay. Almost heard. The ending, man. That was just luck. The last corner actually I could actually go to the left side as well, right? With the other guy and crash him. But your bad luck, two other people actually go inside on the right side and just winning them, and you're third. What the hell? I'm going to the toilet. Something wants to crawl out, not up there, it wants to crawl out down there actually now. He's always drinking when he's overthinking. Same, I'm dealing down as well. Beim Scheißen zu viel nachgedacht, hat das Pissen vergessen. Es ist ihm am Arsch vorbeigegangen. Bah! Ah! Wie was für die Umwelt tun? Oh mein Gott. Jetzt stinkt's ja schlimmer wie davor. Oh, ich bin mal weg, hat er gesagt, und das ist Knackbraucher. Aber wer raucht denn hier so viel? Schon recht, hat er gesagt, der Kandidat. Ist ausgerutscht, das ist Knackbraucher. Ja, man hat die Bierdosen hinten irgendwie ins Knacken gerollt. Keine Ahnung. Sehr fix. Damn, jetzt kommt schon wieder die Sonne raus. I thought actually the fog came a little bit thicker or something and the sun comes through. Oh, it's so shiny here. If you just build it, it will come. He will come. Building out of vomit. An insect life. Was ist denn heute los mit ey? Schnauf schon wieder so ein Lock. I just was eating too much. So the briefing is less. Just double times actually right now. Just mastered the D class. So there's elite, but actually master is at the end of D class, not the elite. Oh, that's weird. Let's see. What the D class elite? No. No D class anymore now. Weird. So the maximum I just was reaching on DjVolgin account was, I think there was the end or something. I just was driving that for fun, and then I was found out, oh, come on, you have another 2 accounts. That's the DefNation CBE, and that was actually PRTM DefTango, I think, and then I changed that actually the name to DefNation CBE. And then I used Need for Speed Takeshi's auto account, and in the same time I just was create a new account for kind to legalize platinum trophies. Just for fun for myself. I like to see that, you know. What kind of games from DjVolgin out you can actually platinize without actually tricking Safe Wizard or something actually around. So yeah, that's actually what I just done. And the other, I think, more than 11 accounts on PlayStation Network since more than 11 or 13 years, they're just gone because actually I was not actually more present there, and Sony after 4 years or something then deleting your account if you're not actually be responsible also on your email account to say, okay, I'm still active or just want to have it. And if you don't actually send them a verify, actually like to say, okay, you will be there still in the future, then they're deleting your account. So simple. Especially because it was from the PlayStation 3 out, actually these accounts. That's the other part. Never played actually these accounts on PlayStation 4. Maybe 1 or 2 of them, yeah. There was a lot of accounts actually goes over my name. Only the other 4 accounts not. There was the 3 Japanese accounts actually. I just helped out these Japanese guys and 1 on the San Salvador. Right. Next up, right? Let the pain begin. Or we can go. Until the end. Nice. A lot of Himalaya. Snooky. San Fran. Time attack. We don't know. But skipping news? Dipping news? What we got? The Lotus. Alright. Oh, the fantastic Viper. Stop with the Lotus. Let's just get pissed off or something. God damn it, what the hell? What would I build a car up? Yeah, something like that, right? Building cars up and then not actually get meat anymore. What is this what we're playing? This is Classy Elite. Stuff with the C coming up anyway. I know there's a BMW event anyway. Elite. C Elite. C Master. Oh, here we go. That's actually a Master for the C cars. That's cool. There's so much stuff, goddammit. Holy moly. Pooh. Why so long? Oh, the sun. Crawling. They say it's a girl's car. First up the Lotus. Oh, jetzt merkt auch mein Morgen irgendwie, ich habe zu viel gefressen die letzte Zeit. Boah, das sundancing right now. I need sunglasses or something then. Cheers. You know, time attack. Touch drive. Oh yeah, thank you for the information at the beginning. Because I didn't watch it to the feed. Schon werden. Actually a cell phone game. Yes! Already wasted the time actually by crashing into the core. Very fun. That will be long actually to drift too much in here. I think I just lost in here. I didn't want that one when I drive it by myself. Because I drifted too much then. Maybe you already got that car maxed out, I think. Actually, I'm not sure. I should stop actually these 20, these actually multiplication points when it's too low. Sometimes I wish actually a sunglass sight worked. So it's, I don't. Oh hell! I suffered anyway on these left side a bit. I lost 6 days. I was in pain actually with my tooth pain, jaw pain, better say. In December actually, the dentist, Mr. Rosen. I say all the time, Dr. Rosenbohrer, Mr. Dr. Rosendriller, just making up actually these 3 holes again. There's just medicine right now in there, and yeah. But the point is, I read actually that when the 7th nerve for the brain actually is just have too much pain, it doesn't matter, right or left, you get suffered actually by the eye view as well. And there was actually 6 days suffering, actually hard. So I'm glad about the last 3 days too. Actually didn't work actually. I would say for this 1 day then, or 2 days actually, Wednesday and the Friday then, to actually recover. That helped a lot. Oh, but the sun's so ugly, goddammit. Need to get the shutters a bit down. That helped a bit. Oh, definitely. So you are, if you just suffer too much in this time, you can have actually some restricted for the live forwardly, actually some losing some sight or something. And there was actually days actually on that I just was have red eye on the left side instead of the right side as well, only left side, and I couldn't actually cheer anymore. Something you have to do done in here? No. Let's try manual then. Manually. Fuck. Crack this up. Excuse me. I'm doing this by purpose, goddammit. Thank you for your servers. Oh my gosh, that was close. Mr. Rodent-Driller, Mr. Dr. Rodent-Driller. Yeah. Everybody who was at the dentist knows the rose. What's that calling? Maybe not Rodent-Driller or something. There's one of these actually that drills slow but has the max of. Very, very corny, you know. And you know what's going on. I'll be highlighted actually all the time to ask, where's the Rodent-Driller? Something. You have a new one, then new edition, then I'm watching on the tablet. Say, oh, looky, a red one this time. See, I think the concentration of individual stuff actually what it has, this material on it or something, makes it some cruel, you know. Sort of. I don't know. Drills very slow. Point is, how many more challenges you got actually in one stage? How more money or credit? I say always money is always credit. Yeah, this game is weird anyway with tokens all the times. How more you get, and here there's actually 2 of them challenges if you win. So it's kind of this Nitro's 50 seconds and win the race. If you just done that, you get more than 40, 50, you know, with the multiplication stuff there. So why all the time, you know, sometimes I claim it by the idiocy or something. Tschüss, ab Campagna Strawberry Silvio, Lutgold, Posten, die Nexisten. Was war das? No, Foxy. What the hell? Fuchs dive is right. That milk drinker. Until it says we can't play actually the car anymore, right? Or once we get the wiper out. Just say hello or something. I just fear actually the server something says, oh, okay, the wiper right now. So it's always like faster cars right now. With the rank 4, with the stars. Instead of that car. I'm not sure how these game actually on the servers just move them. Once you play a higher car and you go back to a slower car in the career or a single player, I don't know what's going on, so whatever, let's try. Let's move the sexy hips. Cheers. So, neat, rich, great, got all of us. Oh, that's my paint job. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. What's the dog doing? Having a walkie and cleaning up a tree? Erhebe dich! Such filthiness in here. What's the cause in here doing? No, I don't want to go there. Then the right side, yeah. Okay, I'm coming. I'm home. Cause that girl, she loses the nose, you know. Too much cocaine or something is crack. Sandy cocaine. Oh, a couple of years ago she lost her nose, right? Oh, just a couple of years. Ah, 37. I'm not sure. Yeah, okay, whatever. The point is, I don't care right now. This is the next account actually for plotting, but the next account, I just want to play as well after that one. Must be a demon in my room or something's crack. I wish I can play the other cars. Bitte der Deutsche. 18, scheiße, 64. Ja, was ist das denn tun? Was denn die Botanik? Wo denn? Shake your booty. Couldn't wait for that. Just want to say hello to you. Crusade, motherfucker. Hello, Rampage. Go. Not this time again. Hey, the bridge is holding. Not like in China that happened. Cheap construction. China likes quantity, not quality. Should step off the car, man. My weight is too high. 250 pounds. The car weighs actually 1,000 tons. 1,000 kilograms. Did I say 1,000 tons? Oh, music is so annoying in my ear right now. Barely can hear the car. What happened? It's better now. Alcohol. This is my first cigarette right now in 77 minutes. We have a 222 at 244 right now. Yippee! It comes up. Aha! See what I'm talking about. Nitro. Why did Nitro? Why the Nitro? I don't understand these Japanese sometimes. She's auch kein Pein, das Robbie so gut Gold die mir geschaut. Passt schon, alles sauber. So weit, so gut. Being down. Unterm Radar. Was? I want to have a perfect night or something, correct? Yeah. Perfecto. No. Oh god. What good? Airtown. Are you kidding me? Airtime they want to have. Dat is een niet te druk door die makkelijke druk. Bye, my little angel. Yes. Money cash in. Oh, the 60 maybe? I'm not sure. Let's see what's coming up. Oh man, where's actually these, what are they calling? It's going the left and right stuff. I don't know what the hell anyway. Pendelium? Don't know. My English sucks. Oh, that's why I'm talking to people actually with an English. How much reaction do you have for actually to play? Or better say, you speak acting English. Cheers. He's just a disaster. Five times a 360. Oh, what just happened? We run out of canisters of fuel. We have to do something else. Just kidding. When it becomes like that, we have actually more than 50 canisters or something. Cherry cans. That's all I could call it. For 24 hours. Oh, come on, you forcing me like that? Alright. I'm gonna adopt this one, right? That's what I like. Vivid. Yes. Where do you come from? Who's that guy? Down below. Oh man, it's over already. The church bells, yeah. Okay. Not expecting more coming up for winning. In single player, they calling it career mode. Career mode. Career mode is where you got some, after you challenge done actually a season or something, then the next movie is coming up or something like that. A game movie or something. I say, hey, you're the best. The next actually challenges or something. I'm coming up against you, and I will challenge you or something. My car is faster than yours. Blah blah blah. You know. Nope. That's why it's for me a single player, nothing more. Not a career mode, for sake. I'm drifting. How long you take? Too long. Once refilled. Well, actually 60 cans of cherry cans, better say. We have. Yeah. How more actually you come up with the garage level, I think it is. Starts with 3, then with 4, then with 5, and now I got 6. Garage level, I think. Is it 8, 9? I don't know. Vamos. Sorry, was there something? It's just winning, right? My screen is so big I don't see actually on the right side. Normally you see the information was coming up. I didn't watch, that's why I just was a little bit loosey. Oh, I can't go actually to the right side. Oh, there's the finish line. Doing nothing before. Okay. Lodos, der kleine Flitzer, Horuskraft. A 61 and a 61? I don't agree, but actually it earned it. Church bells, 8:57 here, AM, Sunday in Germany. We sake that some kind of crack. Because actually in Los Angeles, may they have 3 minutes in front of 12 o'clock at night time? Or is it 1 o'clock then? Nah. Maybe they have 3 minutes in front of 11 o'clock PM right now. It's still Saturday in Los Angeles. This can happen. I'm not sure about that anymore. But it's still a half Saturday. That's definitely for sure in Los Angeles. The Japanese right now, some kind of, can you say, 17 o'clock? 16 o'clock? 17 o'clock? In 2 minutes? That's crazy, right? They can't wait actually to work in the office anymore. Yeah, sure. Ready to hang herself. That's all what they're thinking. But the younger guys, don't worry. It's more than actually 18 years, I think, like that as well. Get your rope and the hook. be ready for actually hanging yourself and you lose a job. Nice. So yo. Our system does. Oh, where I'm going! I totally forgot we in Italy. Oh, Nitro'theBat. That's just a scratch. You ain't. Pigeons. Was the truck driving with us? Just kidding. There's a race going on. Let's get. Where are my keys? God damn it! I think that was James Bond. Car needs a walkie, so it's crack. We have to beat the evil. For the kingdom. Where's my car at? Oh gosh, in the river of Tibet. Ah, oh, come on! Q, I need a new car. What happened to your old car? Whatever. Sinks with the fishes. In the Tibet. Well, I'm standing in front of the toilet and trying to find something. My life. It's still raining out there. Huh. Oh hell, what happened? What happened? I was just kidding. If you just don't, you know, sleeping too much or something. Jesus Maria Gottes. Ja, mal so eine Pinola da kaufen mit Weihrauch oder so. Oh, für Teufel, Alter, da krieg ich ja voll den Krise. Das braucht ihn schon. Daniel Hector. Yeah, we go to swim. Sunday morning. Nice one. I want to grab that one. And my car is washed. Well, you want to have more. As a German Bavarian. As a German needs to wash the car in the Sunday morning. Yeah, something like that. Normally that comes more on my mind, but today I'm very sleepy a bit. Not so funny as you see here. Now it's shiny. Now I can drive to the Wochenmarkt. To the Volksmarkt. I don't know. I'm not funny today. Sorry. I think my mind is still in Tamriel or something is correct. Is that maybe the knockdowns? No? Oh, my Japanese just so went off. Let's just see what it is. Yeah, still, why not? Nah, once the wiper. I earned it. Here, I have only 5 cherry cans for that car. Oh, that's weird. Get 6 of them. Okay, I don't understand the system anymore. What is this? That's seriously weird. I don't know. I don't understand it. Exactly. How about the cat? Oh, on a second. Get some more Crushins to the catacombs here. Oh my god, the hälfte daneben. Being honored. I think that's all I have. The humankind is actually collecting peoples actually, and the folk actually all, and I'm collecting these stuff normally. I'm not throwing them hats away, you know. Just to sign actually say, oh my god, you want to really have a nullified act, doctor? Saying how much you drink. I can bring with you, you know, this stuff with the hats of the tequila and stuff. So I'm collecting them. Like I was collecting other stuff as well. The champagne bottles or something. I'm collecting actually these, the capes, or what is it calling anyway? And so I collect them. There was over 2,400 actually. I already threw them away, but that was in 2 years I was drinking so many, bubble wine, better say. I think that was for, let's say 11, 10 years ago. Kind is, yeah. Let's continue. First up, tequila. It's actually not tequila. It's Smirnoff more in there. Kind of actually 75% Smirnoff. The rest is tequila, and then a little, you know, Rockstar Energy drink in it for the flavor. Tequila. Cheers. Salute. Whole liter of that stuff. Run. Have fun. Let's see, is that a knockdown? Nope. What's gonna be? Barrel road? Oh, that's more possible. But that's a Nitro'theBat. I think that's perfect nitro again. Yeah, perfect nitro. Nitro perfecto. Reverse barrel roll. Oh my god. Take your booty. Oh, come on, taxi driver. Who was that? Let's get with me in the finish line. Thought I'm crashing into the bridge. That's why I was talking forward anymore. There's so many trash on the road. What happened to Italy? Seven left then. Let's claim it. Most Wanted from 2000. Okay. When we're saying all the times the first Most Wanted was the best Most Wanted, it is what it is. Not that Burnout Most Wanted came later on, 2012 or something. This was a disaster. Most Wanted is Most Wanted. Rank list 10 to 1. That was the finest. That was the point we was driving actually that game so lightly. 1 by 1 beating. This is missing. Should be a simple game actually coming out then for $35 or something. Same one remastered. What's the problem? Even the characters going a little bit older. But should they use actually the old cinematic? Everything's cool. Some problems. Time for drifting. I like to drift with the Viper. There's a lot very much in Need for Speed Carbon. Especially in the harvest time, in the morning time. The old TVs with the bulb in there. Pull it up to 30 on the volume. My grandmother, my uncle actually. My uncle was actually getting the paper. The newspaper, better say. Coming in, and already my grandmother just was sitting actually in the other room. The better say in the kitchen, and I was in the living room. I pulled up actually the volume. I just really want to beat it up to 2 million. That's just the last day. Maybe a little bit more pushing. In the end, I think it was a 2.4 million or something then. But doesn't matter. I pulled up the volume of the TV to wake up because at 6 o'clock the hops harvest was starting, right, for these 2 weeks. And that was actually my kind of school vacations or something, you know. And so I needed actually in the morning to wake up. And there was no beer. There was only coffee or tea or something. A kind of mix of, yeah, coffee, but I was not calling coffee, you know. So I just was so much into this game. That was 2004, 2005. It's also the time, yeah, I ended up in school. I think it was actually earlier. Crazy time, anyway. 20 years actually later, look at me, oh gosh. I'm playing games like that. I really tried to find Onrush, but Onrush server actually shut down. Because the Onrush, fantastic music and stuff. Like this game as well. But a bit it pisses me off, so that's why the BGM is not in here right now. So sorry for that one. It's not in here, right? No. Options, please. Option. Oh, this was 0. Top 35. My mistake. Oh, that's weird. Old times. Yeah. Now I'm 38. What the hell? It's kind of when my mother's just watching. Huh? He's 38? I thought he's 32. Maybe he's already over 40. What was his birthday again? I know she got actually between 20 or 24. I think it was 22 in September or something. Because I was even my parents' age, I don't know. So mostly it's better like that, you know. Tschüss auf Kampagne, Schwab, ist Youtube, Gott, Prost, diesen geschaut. Where are these caps of tequila right now coming up on the floor? Gulp. Gulp. Drifto. Sugoi. Namas. Oh, excuse me. I have a long tail. Oh, Popo again. done yet? Oh, come on. Do your job. I don't need it. It's actually impossible to drift like that speed. Go wherever you want. I go outside. If you don't catch me, you lose your job. You know that? Oh, come on, guys. Where are you going? Muss mal aufstehen. Schaut eh keiner mehr zu. I drifted away and win. Oh, okay, no, I started music and then people's gone. I need met what's wrong. Der Backelboot kannst du gar nicht mehr erwarten. Der Backelboot. Der Blas immer wieder durchgeräumt. Ja, jetzt höre ich zwei Musiks. Tadaimasu. I'm listening to two musics. Two musics. The BGM of the game and Spotify upload stuff. My little charm. Decompress them. Oh man, in real life actually you need 3 cores of them. Because you shred everything in the core itself. Wow! People's watching it just leaving immensely. Why? Think that better thing to be done at 9 o'clock to brunch away son this crack. Cheers. Ah, jetzt habe ich meine Schlüssel vergessen. Jetzt habe ich meine Schlüssel vergessen. Er springt aus dem 2. Stock so in der Richtung, weiß. Oh, ich hab's überlebt, aber ich wollte dir nur zeigen, ne? Bitte spring du mir nicht aus dem Fenster. Jetzt habe ich doch glatt meine Schlüssel vergessen. Kann mir vielleicht jemand hier nochmal aufmachen oder so? War noch nicht ganz fertig. Jemand muss doch noch das Fenster schließen. Oh, warum brennt denn jetzt mein Auge so? Dominion. Ah, die kommen schon wieder zurück. Ah, they don't understand German. Alcohol makes all these problems. What? So do you want to go down like me as well? Let me go down because of you. What a shit pile was that? There, now we're talking about it. There we go. Now the medallion comes up. Oh, you smell, man. Alcoholism or something's crap. Shanghai. Yeah. Kind of a bridge is falling in this day. Nitro perfecto. Oh? I think it calls knockdowns and this crack. Shine a light is more fast. Cheers. Do 3 barrel rolls. Those all. What I got? Stay there. Bonsai. What the hell is driving in front of me? Not anymore. Absolutely right. Burn it. The machine. Uh, 38. No, thank you. Just sorry, I have to take that one. Another pandemic that's coming up anyway. But up to the end. Wow. Jump yo. 10 times. Let's just see what's coming up then. D.R.O. cherry can. The wiper. What just happened? They were stolen or something from China. Yeah. You did have it for shipment actually came with stuff. Coming in with the Great Britons. Guard. Cheers. Oh, I can check it up pink again. Wanting. That will pass them over. Knockdowns, I know it. Oh, it's stunts. Oh, it's stunts to do. Oh, okay. Yeah. Don't I don't like you. I'd like to win. Now that message. Appropriated. Yes! It's gonna be a close one, you know that? Nice music. Ding, 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 ding. Here we go. Raise Pearl. Thought actually it's getting cloudy. The sun pumps so much through the fog. It's shiny as hell. Oh. I need to go to pee again, don't ask why. Why is watching up there? Alright. Why you need a cat? when you have a neighbor actually watching out there, a little crazy. Where's my voice at? Cuckoo! Peacock! Something like that. Yeah, this finds his end. We still have actually an account in front of us. A live stream today on these racing, drinking, smoking days. Sundays. Normally Sunday is my sober day, but actually since the last 3 days I did drink, so let's have actually before it's midday, getting 2 accounts actually through the PlayStation Network on these kind of actually not so bad game. Scam game, but not bad game actually. No, it's not. I only just gave them actually 4 to 5 stars on the PlayStation because it's scamming a lot. Give me money! And approved already with 1 account without the, it's calling Legend Pass. I don't need actually these stuff to go through, but it takes you then to 3 months instead of 3 to 4 weeks. DjVolgin account, my first account, I tried this game this year. In May I started up. In 3 to 4 weeks I just was platinized that game. And that was actually the prototype I'm playing through. The Nitro'theBat Takeshi's auto account I was a little bit more into. At the same time I was playing actually with these DefNation CB account, DefNation4Real account on PlayStation Network ID. And now Nitro'theBat Takeshi's auto account left us as well. Yeah, but as I say, these timeline stuff like this, coming up with this. To see what I'm meaning. So this DjVolgin already have platinized. The leader actually, it will goes off actually. Was Nitro'theBat Takeshi's auto, aka Yamamoto Uni D.R.O, already got platinized as well. The next account will be actually DefNation CB. Without help actually with the Legend Pass, as was getting on DjVolgin account that was just very strangling around. Did it actually in, yeah, let's say 4 weeks, but it was not platinizing the game. So I was bored. I was saying, come on, let's try actually the other 2 accounts out. So DefNation4Real was grown up, but just actually was added or just created actually only for that game. And also for, to say, let's play actually games for real. Platinize some games. You have no effort or something. Open DjVolgin account, my main account, or a DefRekka account. With more than actually 900 games or something with the PlayStation 3. So somebody hacked my account on DefRekka. Yeah. That was actually my masterpiece in 2013. But somebody hated me so much ago actually or something. And they just deleted me. They just hacked me away by the same the end of, what was that? 11th November? Or was it 4th November? I can't remember, but it's just somebody hacked me away in November actually 2022. And then I started up actually the DjVolgin account. And so I recreated actually another account that calls actually Def Tango into actually DefNation CB and so on. Life. Cheers up. Pain from the past. Ugh. Really? That's not a reason actually to give up, right? DefRekka account was a trophy account. What I'm dealing down in here is just actually I just want to finish games I like very much, and that's it. Oh, this is gonna be. Let's see. Always have an option. 30 seconds. Oh man, this is gonna be all fucked up. Super concentrated. But look at that. I learned a lot, right? Normally, you growing up the Viper right now, I just play as well. You wow. So as a normal beginner, you don't know what's going really on the campaign, but saying these single player, not career mode, but it's career mode, but single player, you don't know what's going on. You have to push all the time. So if you can't anyway play this game offline, it's so bullshit. So many games are dealing done with that. It's good for actually hacking or cheating or something this crap, but the point is, if you are starting up like on DjVolgin, that was the pain for myself. I didn't know. You have to earn so many stuff from multiplayer. If somebody says to you, showroom gives you nothing. But they built up actually the last year so much actually with these kind of HoloLive or these Team Pursuit, or they just give you so many stuff away, right? They're really giving you blueprints. You need in this game blueprints for cars. But you don't know the single player, the career mode. And so I know the career mode, the single player, what kind of a car in the beginning I need right now to push or pull in actually blueprints to get forward in the single player, to get platinum very fast. And so it's always actually say these cars you need. So don't build up actually a super S car or S rank car. So I came on the idea actually not to notify something down on my table or something, these informations, it's kind of my brain. Just saying, okay, you don't, it's totally against the Lotus and lovely actually for the Viper. These are one of the importance. One of the BMW is important, kind of the Z4 or something, and kind of these, you know. But the first time a DjVolgin account as a platinized that one in 3 to 4 weeks because I used actually the Legend Pass to get more blueprints, more money, more credits, better say, and tokens. So that was easy. But I was strangling a lot, really a lot. I was, I think, destroying 2 controllers in this time. Right now I destroyed actually 2 controllers over 3 other accounts after DjVolgin on this game and maybe other games, but you know the story about that one, 6 months, you know, and yeah. The knowledge, it's just the knowledge, the experience, better say, you know. So don't waste yourself about destroying your controller or something. Just wait a little bit. Wait for actually some special events. Wait for some, but don't be used to be actually somebody else says go to showroom. Showroom is the last piece of shit you want to deal done with here and here. Do the career mode as forward as you can and earn money and use these 20 times multiplicator actually useful. Don't use them actually for multiplayer to have then instead 1000 credits to have 3000 credits. Go to career mode. Use these 20 times first for the career mode and then go to multiplayer. Don't go to the daily events. Then go to whatever you want to do, the special events. Right? So make money, credits, because they are really useful to pump up your cars. And then you have to decide, and you can go forward a little bit, what kind of an event you want to have in career mode, single player, I mean. And so then you can see, aha, I need that car. Maybe that helps me out. The BMW here and there, or maybe it's a Porsche or something. So yeah, don't get your money away for only the Subaru or something as in the beginning. It helps in the beginning, but as you came forward, actually in the story mode and the single career mode or whatever they call, so use your mind. Go forward with the time. You will find it out. I know it's crazy, but actually I'm addicted, like to say I'm a collector as well. Like I want to have every blueprint possible possible. So this time I'm losing because I just was saying I just want to take actually the Lotus Elise. But there's another option, you can play it again without actually, but you always can refill. And they have this is no Legend Pass something in there. 10 times refill actually your cherry cans. They have 3 times right now cherry cans you have on your car, or 4 times because your garage level. But at the end, you also can say, hey, I have 4 times a cherry can and I know I can win. And you have 10 times the chance to refill them. So you have 40 times the chance maybe to win a race. And you get money. And you have the multiplication options. And they give you a lot more money, actually, credits, as on the multiplayer. You're really getting some pointless, then go to multiplayer. Or even to the daily challenges. But please, not going to the special challenges without special, what's it calling, events. Because these special events are really giving you money as well. But the most is the pursuit, the team pursuit. If you have struggled everywhere and you really can't anymore, wait for the team pursuit or multiplayer. This is the masterpiece. You get 2 million of credits, some blueprints as well, but a lot of experience. Believe me that. And it makes fun as well. And they rescue over you. Actually, they say, I hate that game, I give up or something, I spend some money. The team pursuit, I think, twice in a month? Was it once in a month? I think twice in a month comes up. and this is really fun and giving you money. If the team pursuit is out, go to team pursuit with your multiplication points, not the career then, and use the multiplication in there. You get a lot of money there. I think my maximum was a 3.5 million credits to get the 1,000 scores, and you will get the 1,000 scores in 4 hours maximum. My record was 2.5 hours to reach actually the 1,000 team pursuit points there. Because you don't need to win. You even can actually be the last one, but the effort was there. You try to win. If you're a police guy in there, try to hit the other cars, knock down them. You don't need, as a racer then, a syndicate actually to win. But doesn't matter. You was in the team. You just being team pursued. You just get the money. Sometimes you get a 70,000 credits in one race. Proof by myself. 72,000 was in career in the single player mode, the maximum I was get by one run. I don't have the picture anymore from DjVolgin, but on Need for Speed Takeshi's auto account, there was a 70,000 in one credit in this team pursuit. You can't get lesser than 30k. Or you just actually quit. And then you get nothing, of course. But it's between kind of 10 seconds to a 1.5 minute or something a race. And then you get actually a lot of money. So Team Pursuit is the maximum, the Elder Super Deluxe Edition, whatever you can say, in multiplayer. If you see them, go in there. You get a lot of money. And then the career bounces with the multiplication points. And then, you know, daily challenges first. To get after a week or 2 weeks, actually, a lot of actually some kind, yeah, not a lot of money, but you get blueprints for free. Take only once times, actually have a little, you don't need even to drive. Just press a button to say actually these, what's it calling, touch drive. Just drive it through. It doesn't matter what kind of actually rank you are then there. It doesn't matter, you get something. It's very important. And the next day you come up and you get actually a wild card or something from something else or something. It's just get challenged already and you get your payment, you know. So this game makes fun and it has actually not the micro cash in stuff to say you need to buy something in the store to come forward in the career mode. No. That's why I like this game. I don't want to get away. I have 4 accounts running and 2 already platinized. I'll be riding around another 5th month actually, so I like it very much. I just drink alcohol. Maybe people can do it lesser in 4 accounts. Maybe in 4 months they can do 4 times the platinum. I don't care, but I'm playing other video games as well, and being actually in my construction work when I'm not actually being dentally actually away. I also get back actually, you know, winter time is coming and stuff like this. So the Elder Scrolls Online just it's the same crap. I just used today actually money, yesterday some money, so we are right now by $32, and I have to say that was completely useless. You can play forward because now you have a community. Now it just was kicked out and stuff, but then you go to the internet and see, oh crap, just play a month more and then you got your own house, your own chest, you have a lot of slot presentation on inventory, and then you can go forward with the story and something like that. To get all the times money away for micro cash in, it's just the effort how more you play into this video game. But there's nothing actually around you. Maybe you don't have friends to play the video game and then say, alright, I'll pay for that to come forward, because nobody cares. Nobody wants to actually play with me and stuff like that. I know how that feeling is. But that's why I don't have actually in real life friends. I don't have actually in-game friends, because I need to find it out by myself. It makes more fun. I'm not getting actually fucked up. It's more better than like that. But it's sometimes tricky as well. It's just tricky as well. I mean, wow, the sun went so much in. Where is this? It's starting up to rain stuff. Talked about actually saying actually I'm not ready for that. You know, caps of tequila. Here it is. Not just kidding. There's more actually than 200 of them. Need to go to pee again. I'm talking too much. Nobody should actually go forward with this game. I'm not addicted, but I like to drink. I like to smoke a bit, my cigarettes, when I'm driving racing video games. And I wish my ass actually back to career at this CarX game as well. But to make platinum to level 30 is a beast. I think even on DefNation4Real, I have it right now by level 16. But to do it actually level 30 to platinize the game, oh my god. I'm 4 years now on actually 2 accounts already. Used to be actually DefNation CB is in there as well, and now I have DefNation4Real as well. It will take me another 20 years to platinize all 4 accounts. And this is so crazy. That's a Russian game. But actually I have to say, simplifying, you can deal down the game to the cars, actually whatever you want. It's just actually these prices or these kind of XP actually not really working very well. You need 1 million and you get actually after one drift race between 32 to 600 XP or something in the single player. Multiplayer is a disaster. Multiplayer don't gain you XP in CarX, and that makes me so sick. Yeah, so everybody's telling me and invite me all the time to the multiplayer, and I say this makes no sense. Play single player. You get 86% of all the trophies in single player. They don't understand. They play multiplayer since 5-6 years now, and having maybe 12% of the game done with the trophies, where I'm actually all the times belong actually 90 or 94% and waiting actually for the level 30. What the hell? It's so sick. You must be actually kind of feel the game to play it. And then the server cuts down and saying, oh, go yourself. You say, oh, I investigate actually the game very much right now after 4 years. I just put in some money maybe. Server's down. You need a PlayStation 5. Or the game is just shut down. That's why Onrush was actually without micro crash in. And I wish I made that back. I wish me older games actually back. Remastered. Why? They can't do it up or something? They have the technology, they don't have the money maybe for that, they don't have the people's like the effort to make it up actually. This is just like AI created games or something. I don't know. That's why video gaming, I'm not sure. Give it a fuck, or just wait for the PlayStation 6 and actually an 8K TV. I mean, I still can buy it, but not the PlayStation 6. May I survive maybe or not? Or my heart says. Already RIP actually in the next years. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the next week. I don't know. I don't know, really don't know. There's no way for myself what I wanted in the future anymore. Everybody destroys itself, you know. In the end, in 200 years, only Chinese peoples walking over the planet, hating each other to watch himself in the face, to see no different anymore, the same faces. No European, not American anymore. No people living in Ireland. They have nothing to do done with technology or something else. They already killed them. 200 years, only Chinese peoples watching actually yourself in the face, trampling over the world, destroying the world, making a war, and it's over. I don't know. I think that's the future. Or actually the next years or something, we are just bomb each other. They're stupid atom bombs. I think at the end it calls actually like the German, always the Germans. They bring out this technology. That's why we hate each other. Should grind actually a new religion or something. The Germans. No, as a German, I think like now the Chinese making all the works, what we just was making up. They're stealing a lot of information. We give information away. So now the Chinese actually doing the production. First the market is of course European, destroying the European market as Chinese, destroying actually all other countries, and in the end actually America. and then the invasion comes up, you know. This is a disaster. Well, it's a new timeline actually to make war, to spam and scam them. Poor little world. Can't we go back actually to the, what's it calling? Stone Age? Oh, better not. Come bottom us. You have to fall. You need to win. Losing. Oh crack, wow, I'm losing. Yeah, I need a wiper. Oh my gosh. I say I'm losing. It doesn't matter how fast you can be in here. It's just the effort in the beginning. I can try it out actually 10 times with that vehicle. I don't can win. See, that's a fortune telling, I know. Because it's the third time actually I'm in this kind of position where I know I'm losing in here. But don't worry. Something maybe a rescue of us. Rise from your grave, forsake. "30 seconds of pain." Yeah, it's in getting this. Suffer, pain awaits you. Nothing changed actually, just a second faster. But the Lotus is so weak. Nothing against the Lotus, but it's too weak. Boom. Yeah, that's the game. The single player, career mode we're calling it. Painful. Cheers. Train spotter. Actually, the other account actually already got in this time. What is it calling? The Quicken House? Yeah. Also gonna foster like the Viper as well. That's so weird. Sometimes I gain actually blueprints, I don't need it, but in the end, on career, wow. Every account I have to say actually on my PlayStation Network ID on this game is different about cars. It's just what kind of a blueprint you win on multiplayer or daily events. Get lost. The train is coming. Motherfuckers! I was waiting for the left guy actually coming up. I just did actually the 360. And here the 360 was not in the beginning of the game coming up for 7 years ago. Just popped and upgraded actually into this game since 2 years. To do 360? Can it be? Or was it actually since the beginning? That's what people say lying. Next league. Oh, beer's off. Come on. That's a Chimera, or what's it calling this car? I thought actually that's a Lancia. What the hell? I don't know this car. Well, I exited actually the Elder Scrolls Online today. I was going to shower, shave myself completely in every specification areas, and I was actually nailing my foot nails, my curls by the same, and also my fingernails. And then I was saying, oh yeah, still actually 1 minute left, so cream de la cream here, cream de la cream there, washing off, and actually was seeing, oh, okay, here and there, and then actually my nose, and then I was going, and I see, oh god damn it, it's offline already. And then I was saying, aha, now it's time to actually go to Asphalt Legends Unite. It calls ALU on me. Asphalt Legends Unite. That's why ALU. Has nothing to be done with aluminium. Better sit down. Yesterday I tried to deal down that one. Was waiting actually for one package and stuff like that, and like a dog actually watching around on the window, and then just making 2 times food, and even though I was eating an apple. I have too many apples around here. God damn it. They're okay, they're cool. It's actually 2 a month. That'd be fine. But as the winter time comes and my eating actually more fatty stuff, I should actually eat apples. That's why I was prepared for already with them. 10 kilograms of apples. And you think like that's 10 apples? No. These are actually kind of 75 to 100 apples. They're waiting actually before they get rotten or something to get let eat. And I'm ready actually in the construction work not to drink beer, to eat only apples. More time to spend in the toilet time than on toy. Ah, yeah. Life. Most construction worker didn't saw me actually the last 9 days actually anymore, right? That's crazy. Fucking tooth pain. Better say jaw pain. It was something loosey, and so that was infected actually. Ripped it off. I mean, I don't care about actually syringes or something, needles, but this kind of, I don't like to be done that. Here they're making pain, or better actually destroying some nerve systems. If you have getting all the time to the dentist and making the syringes into your mouth, you know, to your whatever jaw or something. Sometimes I'm thinking, whatever. I know I get a 6 days actually this pain. Just, you know, make the syringe and infect me with your poison. And I'm thinking all the times, what the fuck anyway? You're drinking all the times. You manipulate actually your DNA, DNS anyway with this poison of alcohol. For 1 syringes in a year, you don't actually need to fear. What was that? A clumsy beer lip. Home. Oh, come on, I forgot to pee again. So run out the beacons. Half liter actually of tequila, Smirnoff Ice, and a liter of beer. After 2 hours? 2 hours? I can't believe that. Come on. Hello, fridge. Will that bring my conservative body actually fit in? I said, oh, this construction worker needs a little more time actually before actually we find a place in the to have a coffin and a place actually, because he's in religion. Doesn't matter. Do we find a place for him on the graveyard? No. Maybe have found a place after the fridge. Oh my god. Microphone's on, right? Start with the weakest card. And the weakest card that we can actually claim something. Yeah, well, with options, right? Can't even paint the vehicle or something. Guns Borimos. That was trying to rescue me. Wow, I think that's the first win with that with that Ford MK4. It's not so powerful anymore. And that's so fucked up that this car is actually not powerful anymore. The other cars are way more than this car. That car has a lot of torque. But you can't get it in here right now anymore in this game. The MK4 is done. Even it's a new model. So unfair to have it anyway in your playlist then. Not fair. This game Ford is very lousy to get. And lousy to play then. No Ford car here has nothing to do on engines like the supercars. It's like some actually child just was making up this game. Gives a fuck about every car from Ford. Even on German cars. Just made actually for the supercars here. Nothing more. What a glover.
Think I have a death wish, leaving everybody breathless. It's always my time. The city is
I'm out. Have a nice time. Bye bye.